Aloha and welcome. Are you interested in homesteading or farming or organic gardening or landscaping or just cultivating and growing plants in general? Or maybe raising animals, creating your own probiotic foods? If you're interested in any of that stuff, then stick around, because that's exactly what we're going to be talking about on this channel. My name is Sean, and I've been passionate about growing all sorts of plants for about 6 years now. I've grown a lot of different plants and had gardens in Costa Rica, Idaho, and Hawaii now. About 2 years ago, my father and I came over to the big island of Hawaii looking for some land to start a little homestead. Come on now, rooster. So I've been here ever since, about 2 years exactly now, at the end of July. Yeah, so just over 2 years. I've been here the entire time developing this land almost completely by hand. We did rent an excavator one time to help us with a few things. Everything else has been done by hand. I'll show you some clips of the property when we first got here, so you can see what it was looking like and what we were dealing with.
All right, here's day one. We got the road cleared in about 50 feet. Took about half a day. Look at all them nice.
Anyways, these are our super awesome tree tents, and they're really fun. We slept in them for the first time last night, and the coqui frogs here are super loud. So we were sleeping with the frogs. It was pretty awesome. Then you walk right over here, and Sean actually just put up the, he set up the kitchen while Steve and I were in town today. Check this out. And we're basically going to be camping out like this for a few weeks until we can get our house built. We got some baby papaya trees over there.
Raining in Hawaii. Just got a load of gravel dropped off. Here's what it looks like before. Mud. What up, what up? Sean Will here on the volcano. This is an update of the how the plants are doing. Still working on the driveway. And I'll show you some clips of what the property is looking like nowadays. Much more beautiful, green, and less mud. All right.
I got the rocks put in for this bed.
Oh man, this bed is a pain in the ass. It's been a long day, but this one, I might finish her up today. Look at how dark this blueberry is. Organic gardening at its finest.
Sean
Now,
grew this blueberry.
Let's see what the chickens have to say about the blueberry. Fight to the death. Ready, set, go. God, they're following me. Look at all the chickens gathered round. What do you have to say for yourself?
Look, he's got blue earlobes.
Beautiful day here in Hawaii. Blue skies, nice and hot. And what do we find here?
It looks like.
It looks questionable. Yeah. Oh my God, it looks like a baby fetus. These are the garden destroyers. Jurassic Park, man, he is certain of dominance. Look at that thing. That is cool.
You got a video?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bite your ass and jump on you.
Nice sweet potato bed here. Look how full it is.
Not bad. Flower.
Harvested my first sugar cane today. Got some weird banana icicles coming on over here. Look at that. They look like icicles. They followed me. Now on this channel, I'm going to be sharing what I've learned the last several years. I'll be sharing how to grow organic plants, from vegetables to fruit trees to ornamentals to all types of things. I will be showing you how to grow bigger, healthier, organic plants that produce like crazy and are very reproductive. Now, if you're interested in everything that I've been talking about, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you're notified each time I release content and you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.